Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you which one is better, Quick and Simplify versus Quick and Deluxe. Now for its platform, you can access Quick and Simplify via web and mobile app. You can see here mobile and tablet, iPhone and iPad and web app. While on the Quick and Deluxe, you can access it via desktop on Windows and Mac and mobile app. Now for the user experience. On Quick and Deluxe, it is usually traditional feature-rich interface, while on the Quick and Simplify, it is modern, simple, and intuitive UI. For the bill tracking, on Simplify, it can track bills and subscriptions, while on the Deluxe, it tracks bills and provides reminders. On investment tracking, on Deluxe, it is advanced investment tracking and reports, while on the Simplify, it has a basic portfolio tracking. For the financial planning, on the Simplify, it is limited long-term plan, while on the Quick and Deluxe, it includes loan, retirement, and tax planning. Now, for the cost. The Quick and Deluxe starts at $6.99 per month, while the Simplify starts with $5.99 per month. So, which should you choose? Now, choose Simplify if you want a modern, user-friendly app that focuses on budgeting and expense tracking. It's great for beginners and those who want a streamlined financial overview without complex tools. Now, choose Quick and Deluxe if you need detailed financial management including investment tracking, tax planning, and in-depth financial reports. It's best for power users and those managing multiple accounts and assets. And that's basically it.